Good afternoon, my friends. My name is Ali Casper. Today I'm going to cook Valenciana, my style. Oh, the ingredients. What are the ingredients? I have uncooked rice. Okay, we have uncooked rice. And then I have fried chicken. I brown it a little bit so it will look a little bit better than just pale. And then sausage, sliced sausage. And then I have shrimp. I got mussels. And then I slice green beans and some carrots and whatever vegetables you like. I just put this one because it's more colorful. And then I slice tomatoes. Say that, tomatoes. And then garlic. Onions, like one small onions, and then slice of like red, yellow, orange peppers, so it will be more colorful and maybe a little bit spicy, whatever you like. And then you need to put a little bit of salt, a little bit of chili powder, and then Creole seasoning. So it's just like and then I will stir fry the I will saute the onions first, and the garlic, and then a little bit of onions, and then the peppers. And then I put in a crock pot. It's a power quick pot. This one here, I don't know if you can see it, but this one here. And then I will put like maybe slow cook for an hour and a half because the meat and the seafoods, the mussels and shrimp, it's very easy to cook. So I'll put it in after I saute the garlic and the tomatoes and onions, everything, I put it together in quick power pot. And then put some, because since there is uncooked rice, so I'll put maybe 2 cups of water, and then just combine everything, okay? And 1 teaspoon of paprika, rosemary, and salt, whatever you like to put in there. It tastes a little bit better. Then after that, just cook it for an hour and a half. Since it's slow cooked, so hour and a half, and then I'll show you when you get done. I'll tell you if it tastes good or not. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. Good afternoon, my friends. It's here, Sally Casper again, and that was me. Please subscribe, hit that subscribe button, so I will see you in my next video. Thank you.